Hello everyone and welcome to Ayeshastwinnails Arts and Craft Gallery. My name is Princess Ayesha and this is my channel. So today we're gonna do some nail work, acrylic nail work, and I have my acrylic liquid, my filer, my alcohol hand rub, a working brush, dusting brush, nail cutter, scissors, buffer, tweezers, cuticle oil, primer, glue, clear acrylic powder, an electric filing machine, manual filing file, cuticle pusher, acrylic nail. Let's start. I'm gonna start off by work on any clients. When they come into the salon, you ensure that they wash their hands, and then when you're starting the work, you have to disinfect their hands. Use some alcohol hand rub to disinfect the nail area, just briefly. Let's start by filing down the nail to remove the natural shine of the nail. Compared to this one, it looks very, shiny. You can opt to use this one, manual one, quickly. For them, you see how this has been done compared to this one. It's very shiny. So guys, we're just gonna remove the shine from the nail, ensuring that we kiss the nail. You're removing the shine, the natural shine from the nail, so that the acrylic nail will be able to fit on the natural nail, and also ensuring that you're not too close to the cuticle area. That's the cuticle. Remove the dead tissue as well. Of course, you can use an electric. This is a manual file. You can use an electric file to do this. Guys, we're gonna select our acrylic nail, and we have to ensure that the acrylic nail fits. Because if we choose a nail that doesn't fit, it's gonna cause the lifting of the nail. So I'm gonna, check, and it has to be from sidewalk to sidewalk. This one is a bit big, so let me try it with this one. It's a bit big, so I think this one will fit for this. And then we check the rest. So this will fit for the thumb. So yeah. And then a bit too big, we can cut the sides and then apply. If it's a bit big, you can just cut and then you cut, so that it can fit. For when you're applying the acrylic nail, ensure that it's not too small, because if the acrylic nail is too small, it's going to encourage lifting. And also when applying the acrylic nail itself, we apply it at the edge where the free edge is. So gently apply your glue to the bowl, to this bit. And then we hold it like that, and then we just gently apply it here, like so, and just keep pressing. So guys, this is it. Where the small area is, gonna do the same for all, and then we'll cut them. So guys, you have to ensure that the nail has enough of the natural nail, so that it can, when applying the acrylic powder, it can get a very firm foundation. So guys, using our nail cutter, we're gonna cut to the length. I don't want it too long, so just gonna cut. So So guys, this is the length I'm going for, and then we'll soon work on this. Guys, gonna briefly file the nail so that it blends in with the natural nail. Using my brush, just gonna dip it in some acrylic liquid and then take some of the liquid off and then get some of the powder and then just put it where the small area is. I'm going to apply some primer to the natural nail bed, the cuticle area, natural. I'm gonna gently file it. Nail duster to just dust off some of the nail. So guys, I'm gonna choose this color for this nail. This is how it's looking. I'll try and attempt to put some sort of crystals on it. Guys, I'm gonna attempt to put some crystals on it. There's some small crystals here. So this is how it's looking. I don't know whether you can see it. I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Until then, it's a goodbye. In the next video, maybe we might do the full set of nails. Bye.